Welcome to this video. This will be around 26th or 27th video on our series Introduction to AngularJS. I'm demonstrating from W3 schools. So this is Said from Toronto, Ontario, Canada. This is my personal profile, this is my blog, this is in Bengali blog, and this is my YouTube channel. This video actually is will be posted under this channel. So what this video is about, it's about creating this simple AngularJS application. So what it is telling, it is initially showing some products, some food products. So you can add some more. And you can delete. Okay. So this is what it is. So if we want to implement this in AngularJS, how can we go for that? Yeah, checking my audio, sometimes it gets disconnected. Okay, from the high level, if you want to think this from the high level, it's not that behavior driven development. That comes from a domain focused, but there is a flavor of top down design or high level design, and going to the bottom there is something like this. Also on the behavior driven, there is some checking or starting from the domain. Okay, forget about it, and then propagating to the other direction. Anyway, I'm not going there. Just see it as a high level application, what you can do. So one thing is you have to have a module, at least one, the application module. So we have to create angular.module, and then you can say shopping list module, just you can give a name. So that's module, and we'll be taking the approach of model view controller approach. So we'll be considering a controller. So we can say app.controller, and then we can say shopping list controller. Then we can define some function and variables inside that, right? So controller will be there. So you can see this is a list of products. It's actually maintained in JSON or in front end inside Angular list. We are not storing it in the database yet, but that part can be there for sure. For now keep it in JavaScript AngularJS itself. So it will be a list of products. So an array type of variable or list type of variable, and those kind of stuff will be good. So you can see $scope.products equals to I think third bracket, and we can provide milk, double quotation, comma, bread, double quotation, bread, or some other cheese. Yeah, you can put something like this, right? It's just scope product variable. So those are all those products. Okay, so we need a list. We will be inserting into that list. We will be outputting from this list. So we'll be needing some function like add function and remove function. So we'll need those. So you probably will be need $scope.add item, $scope.remove item, those kind of things. $scope.add item equals to function, and then all those things is there. So $scope.remove item, and then all those things are there. So we know in the controller, and then couple of scope variables and functions, product variable, and those things are there. Now in terms of view, the controller, I think in the view it will be HTML. I think HTML view, that is the template, that is the view in AngularJS. So not a big deal. So we have to put some div. I think we can put everything inside the div, and ng app equals to ng app, and then we can put the shopping list apps module name, the application name. When we created the angular.module, that name can come here, and then angular.module, and we can keep the second parameter empty. I think module angular.module it takes two parameters. First is the name and second is the dependency. We don't need any dependency right now. This is a simple application, right? So that part is there. Okay, sorry, I was going into code again, but I was trying to say about the interface. Anyway, so inside div ng app equals to my app and all those things. That's okay. Now my shopping list, so we can put some heading tag there. H1, H2, H3, whatever you want. We can do style sheet later. That's a different thing. Then coming the list of this term, so we'll be using some repeat control ng repeat. Okay, in JSP PHP we write a PHP code and we loop through for loop, while loop, and there are some variables coming from back in and all those things. But anyway, so what we will be doing here is we'll be using ngwrap and ul. There is no list, ul, and inside the ul, what we have to do for every x in, if we saw the product variable name is products, x in products, then we have to somehow echo the products index. Okay, products index 0, 1, 2, 3, something like this, and there will be on the right side there is a button that will display close, but it's a button, right? So okay, yeah, repeat, and there will be the on the left products. That's an array, so products with an index variable index, and then on the right we will have a button with a checkbox cross mark showing in it, and also it will be a link to the remove item. Yeah, so ng repeat will be doing all those things, and we have to create another text box, and we have to create another button with add, and we will be linking to the ng click add button. Ng click equals to add item, and we have to pass the information here. So it will be as a parameter some x or name of product variable, and then inside there we have to just in the products arrow we have to add it in there. And to make it look good, we have to use some style sheet. Yeah, okay, we can see the total application here. So linking to Angular library, Angular framework, that's okay. This is for the CSS, that's all right. So we have to create the module, the application modules. That's my shopping list. This module is not dependent on other modules, so that's all. It is an empty list. We are creating controller, my control, and products. It is the list of the products. You can see array of products. Scope add item. Okay, they are doing a little bit more. They're searching for the product, and if the product is not there, they will be adding it, and if the product is there, they will be telling it's already there. I think it probably does not better rating for the uppercase or lowercase, because I could add both capital egg and small egg, right? Capital letter egg and small letter egg. Okay, so scope products index of scope add me. So yeah, we're using the push, and yeah, if it is already there, error text, there is error text. I think okay, let's say add, and then